here we go, y'all. We got the smothered turkey wings right there. We got the collard greens that are mixed with the turnips. And we got the macaroni and cheese right there, y'all. This is gonna be a quick review. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in, I believe this is East Orange. If it's not, it's Newark, very close to the borderline. But I'm gonna go ahead and say East Orange, New Jersey, off of Sanford Street, y'all, and Tremont Ave. And we about to go into this restaurant. Tasties Grill, Southern Style Soul Food. First time I ever been here. Let's give a big shout out to Norma for suggesting this spot. What's up, Norma? That's my big sister, y'all. But we're gonna go in here. I see somebody coming out with a big bag right now. Is it delicious, sis? Huh?
Excellent. It is tasty.
It's tasty. Okay.
Very
My
good.
sister, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna go inside, y'all. She said it's tasty. It looked like there's a spot to sit in here. Let's go inside. Tasties. It's Gail Southern Style Soul Food. Let's go check it out. Nice size parking lot in case you guys want to come and park, you know, so there's definitely parking. There's the hours right there, y'all. Let's go inside and see what's going on at Tasties. Uh-oh, how you doing? How are you? What are the struggles of being an entrepreneur?
A real struggle. You have to know what you're doing. And then you come to think what you really want to do and you do it. I like the cooking, so I cook. I don't boast about nothing that I could cook better than you. I don't do that. I just cook. Can't please everybody, but I just cook.
All right, here we go, y'all. We got the smothered turkey wings right there. We got the collard greens that are mixed with the turnips. And we got the macaroni and cheese right there, y'all. This is gonna be a quick review. Quick, fast, and easy. I already seen somebody leaving the place that the food was delicious. So we're ready. This the mixed greens, right?
Yeah.
The mixed, okay.
You can take the fork and set the turnip greens at the bottom.
Turnip greens at the bottom, y'all. We got cornbread too. Oh, that cornbread feels so nice and soft. Yo, the total was $26.91 for the soda and the dinner, man. It looks delicious. We are here at Tasties, man, at Gail's spot. And check this out, man. There's mad juice in there. I know I cannot lift this up. Let's see how much I can get out of it, though. Look at this, man. Ooh, yeah. Hold on, we'll put it a little closer. Oh, yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Hold on, from the side, from this side. If the juice falls, it'll fall into the greens. Look at this, look at that. Oh, it's dripping, it's dripping. I'm going in, man. We're gonna do this real quick review. First thing I'm gonna do, right? First thing I'm gonna try. I got 4 things to try: the greens, the macaroni and cheese, and then I also have, let's turn this a little bit. I also have, hold on, let me adjust, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm messing up. I know I'm messing up. All right, I got the greens. I gotta bend over a little bit. I got the greens, macaroni and cheese, and the smothered turkey wings, okay? First, let's go into the turkey wings. All right, let's put, oh, yo, it's coming off. It's coming off. Look at this, man. Look at that, I got a big chunk out of there. Let's taste the turkey wings first. Okay, let me calm down, relax. That is very tender. And I noticed, I just wanted to taste that piece of meat, not the skin. Those spices went all the way through. The pepper tastes a little salty. I taste the spices in here, man. I want to eat some of the skin now. See how easy that came off? I want to eat skin though, that's more meat. Eat some of the skin, check it out, check it out. Oh man, that gravy tastes delicious too. So far, hey, how you doing? So far so good, man, on the turkey wings. Now we are going to the macaroni and cheese. Ooh, macaroni and cheese look nice and cheesy. I want y'all to be able to see this. Can y'all see how cheesy that is coming up? Okay, I'm gonna add a little salt to the macaroni and cheese. I gotta bring this up just a tad, man, I'm sorry. Just a little salt to the macaroni and cheese. A little bit, just a little. And also, look what we got here, man.
We got our hot sauce. It's been a long time since we had our hot sauce.
Quick review, man. Let's go ahead and put the hot sauce on the greens too in advance. Macaroni and cheese, very good. The texture is really good. It's nice and cheesy and creamy. I definitely know the cheese is not too sharp and it's creamy. I see that egg in here, man, and it's cooked. Okay. This is soul food for sure. Only thing I have to go for now are the greens. Let's check out the greens. I'm kind of bugged out because you can't see it, but I dropped some of the macaroni on the table. I want to pick it up and eat it, but I won't. So we're going into the collard greens next. Let's check it out. See them collard greens? Ooh, the collard greens are very, very tender, man. Delicious. So what I want to check out next, she said the turnip greens are up underneath here. Let's find the turnip greens. See, I got them turnip greens right there, man. See the turnip greens underneath? The greens are very tender. I didn't even bite much, man. It was just like bite, bite, swallow. Now let's try the cornbread, y'all. Word is born. Look at this cornbread. Cornbread, check it out. Check it out. Check out the cornbread. The cornbread is nice and tender. That's good cornbread. Love the macaroni and cheese. Love the mix of greens. It's got collard greens in there, cabbage, and some turnips. Delicious. Melts in my mouth. The turkey wings taste delicious. Had to bite a little bit more in that inner meat, but they still taste delicious. They're the smothered turkey wings. Got my Fanta. Here at Tasties, man. In East Orange, New Jersey. I'm calling it Newark, though. In East Orange, New Jersey. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cats. Peace. Yup, I'm done. These greens are the bomb. There's not gonna be a second sign off, so that's it, man. You get a lot of turkey wings.